Morning, my name is Galina. I'm a psychology student at St. John University, and today is late October. It's getting colder, it's windy outside, it was raining, but I realized the soup season officially started, so I'm gonna to make a soup today. I'm going to take you with me to the grocery shopping. Let's go. So we need one medium onion. We need some apples, they're not very expensive as well. We will need just 60 grams of it. Pumpkin seeds. Need one butternut squash. The last touch, vegetable stock. Okay, we're back from the shopping, so we got all ingredients and I will put my apron and we will start. We will make the pumpkin and apple soup. The onion makes me cry, but the good news, the weather has changed outside. It's sunny now, so I feel better. Next, I need to dice the pumpkin and apples. I will tell you the secret. As a mature student, I don't have much time to go for socials with the students, But, so for me, the food is actually opportunity to, to catch up with my course mates. So we love to go to the student kitchen and have food. And actually, we all love the soup from the St. John kitchen. I will show you.
Genuinely, I really love the soup here. I always buy it when I have my dinner. I have a good appetite.
I love the choice of soups and addings, and students are hungry. Soup is good.
It's not my favorite ritual between the lectures, honestly.
It's healthy. It's pretty cheap. It's £1.80 with bread, and you can get. There's always fresh vegetables in it, so it's yeah.
Oh my god, I need to put vegetables to my onion. To roast my pumpkin seeds a little bit because it gives more flavor. Meanwhile, I'm gonna make our vegetable stock. Just put 3 of these to the soup maker. Okay, 30 minutes finished, so I'm gonna to put my vegetables into soup maker to blend it. I'm not gonna lie, this whole cooking process make me feel focused and present, exactly how I supposed to be in the library. Voila! Taste before you add salt, because stock already has some salt. It's very yummy. I nailed it. And I love how apples give this soup a little sparkle. Sweet, but not too sweet.